How to change name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app, and once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings and privacy section, you can see the option label account center, and under that you can see the option label see more in account center. So simply tap on that. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on your profiles and select your account. Now tap on name to edit. And now after tapping on that, you will be prompted to the page where you can enter your new name. So make a change in your name, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on review change. And here you can simply preview your new name, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on save changes to confirm. And with this, also note that once you change your name, you won't be able to edit it again for 60 days. So be sure to choose wisely. And that's it. That's how you can change your name on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.